Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect LiveChat to Wix. All right, so first up, go ahead over to wix.com/app-market, okay, and hit on enter. And once that's done, go ahead over to the search bar and just type down LiveChat. Hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And in here, as you can see, we have LiveChat for online sales and customer help. So what we'll do is just click on it. Now click on add to site. Select from one of your sites in here, maybe just this one, my site 11, hit on continue. Then once done, just click on agree and add. Wait for it. And in the next page right here, it will just ask you to sign in with your LiveChat account, or if you haven't got an account yet, you can go ahead and create one. Okay. I'm just going to sign in with my Google account right here. Wait for it. There you go. Now, as you can see, it redirects us to our LiveChat account. So once that's done, let's go back to our site studio right here, my site 11, edit site. Let's just go ahead and go to our search bar right here and look for LiveChat. Okay. Once done, this one will pop up. Just basically click on open. There you go. As you can see here, it says installed. Just basically click on manage apps right here. Now it says here setup required, so basically complete the setup. And once done, when you go ahead over to add apps right here, manage apps. Okay, as you can see, LiveChat is now connected and it says open. Okay, when you click on open, it will just redirect you to your LiveChat account. Okay, another option to connect it. Maybe you'd like to connect your Wix account to your LiveChat account. Just go ahead over to the gear icon right here. Okay, where it says install LiveChat, under channel, scroll down, show more ways, scroll down and find Wix. Click on it, hit on connect. Select the site. I'm going to select this one right here. Agree and add. And it's finished. Okay, another option is that if you want to add the code manually, okay, go back to settings, gear icon. In here, as you can see, we got the copy code button. So it's just basically copy it. Now go ahead and find where to paste the code into your Wix website. Maybe I'm going to go ahead and add a section right here and add elements, embed code, embed HTML, paste that in here, click on update, and just wait for it. Okay.
New visitor.
As you can see, or as you might have heard, right here, it says new visitor. There you have it. That is how you embed or connect LiveChat to your Wix website. Okay. There you go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.